So next subtopic is requirements of SDS page. We'll discuss which different things we need to carry out SDS page. First of all, gel apparatus. In this gel apparatus, we know there is power supply, we have gel chamber, we have combs, we have micropipettes with the help of which we load samples into the wells. We have ladder with the help of which we estimate the size of separated proteins or other molecules. We use buffers which maintain normal pH. We have dyes with the help of which proteins or other molecules, they are stained in the gel. Similarly, there are electrodes, cables which are used to connect power supply with the gel, and in this way it is possible to carry out electrophoresis. A gel dog system is also required as if we want to characterize the separated proteins into different components. Buffers which we use stabilizes pH value to the desired value in the gel during this process, and choice of buffer also affect the electrophoretic mobility and thus the resolution of the gel. जाहिर है हम ये सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि हम ये बफर यूज़ करेंगे तो उसके मुताबिक उसकी जो मोबिलिटी होती है और जो रेजोल्यूशन होती है वो वेरी करती है. बफर्स जो हम यूज़ करते हैं should be unreactive with the proteins or other components of SDS page. Otherwise जाहिर है जो इसके results होते हैं वो affect होते हैं, so they should be unreactive. Multiple pH values may be used within a gel. जाहिर है उसमें एक जो component होता है उसमें एक तरह की pH, दूसरे component में दूसरी तरह की जो pH होती है, depending on the buffers used. Common buffers in page which are used that include Tris, Bis-Tris and imidazole. Other buffers are also used. Then acrylamide. Acrylamide is a white water soluble solid with chemical formula C3H5NO, and this polymerizes to form long single chain polymers. Gels used for SDS page are made of acrylamide, which form cross-linked polymers of polyacrylamide. Acrylamide is stored in a cool, dark and dry place to reduce autopolymerisation and hydrolysis. This acrylamide is also harmful by inhalation or skin contact. That's why it should be direct contact should be avoided. Now, detergent which we use, sodium Dodecyl Sulfate or SDS, is an anionic detergent which is used to denature native protein structures to simpler or linear proteins. This SDS binds to polypeptides in a constant weight ratio of 1.4 gram SDS per gram of polypeptide chain. Proteins with the same molecular weight migrate differently due to differences in mass, charge, ratio, and of course folding. So that is why we use this detergent. Proteins may be treated with reducing agent, like we have discussed earlier on, like beta-mercaptoethanol, to break some reformed disulfide bonds. Now, ammonium persulfate or APS. This is a source of free radicals which are used to polymerize acrylamide and bis-acrylamide to form a gel matrix which can be used for the separation of biological macromolecules. Alternative source of free radicals is riboflavin, which generate free radicals in a photochemical reaction, and this APS and other polymerizing agent like TEMED are typically used at approximately equimolar concentrations in the range of 1 to 10 millimolar. Now, TEMED or tetramethyl ethylene diamine, this TEMED stabilizes free radicals and improves polymerization, like we have discussed earlier on. Rate of polymerization depends on the concentration of free radicals. Increasing the amount of free radicals results in a decrease in the average polymer chain length, an increase in gel turbidity, and a decrease in gel elasticity. And this APS and TEMED should be used in the lowest concentration, and that's why because they allow polymerization in a reasonable period of time.